Okay, we are looking at a set of Meze Empyrean headphones, and we're going to do an earpad installation. This installation will apply to the Empyrean #2 and also the Elite headphones. Alright, so the installation for these earpads is super simple, super straightforward. It's going to take you about 3-4 seconds to do it. And I'm just making this video because I always make a video, so it's very much easy. All you do is grab the earpad here, and it comes off, it's magnetized. Just like so. Now, the earpads are not specific to each side, so they're universal, and you can just put them straight back on. They do have a plastic outer piece of plastic on the outside rim, and that needs to fit in place, but they are magnetized. So once they do actually go directly over that edge that's on the headphone, they'll just magnetize and that's it. So that is it. That is all super easy.